Okay, today we have a lovely 1965 356C Coupe. It has been fully restored. It has had, prior to restoration, an extremely long-term 356 registry owner. And it's about as new as you get. It's pretty damn cool. It's excellent throughout. And we're going to put this up because the radio works and take it for a ride. Alrighty, here we go. Quick cold start. It hasn't run in hours. Okay, let's go. Well, we're gonna take it down the road. I think we're gonna put a little gas in it. And by that time it should be warmed up. Works. Well, as everyone knows, these are some of the most fun cars in the world. They're bulletproof and put a smile on your face no matter what. My wife can attest to that. She says if it's a bad day, I should always drive my 356 home. Somehow, I'm a better person. I'm not really sure whether that's true or not, but it is what it is. So, I should probably have her do the video one of these days. But that's like teaching someone how to drive stick. It's just not going to work out at all. So, okay, we're just going to hope that we don't run out of gas here, because the preparation from the staff today is subpar. What else can I tell you? 356 at its best. C, uprated to SC specs by Cole Scroggum, well-known Porsche specialist, restorer, enthusiast. That's it. Not much to say about this one, so we're going to just show you how it performs and come back to you with flybys. Well, it doesn't have a Weejo. It has a Weevo short shift kit, which makes it really nice to shift. And as I have said in the past, there's not a whole hell of a lot else to tell you. So we'll take our curvaceous road up here, do some flybys, and I don't know how long this video will be because, as I've said, there's not a whole hell of a lot more to tell you. It's just a great little 356 that's been restored. Previously in enthusiast ownership, carrying ownership. Came to us on trade along with the 356B Roadster Outlaw. Really cool. available on this 356. Because you can cruise all day long. We will be looking to give this one a proper new home as well.